Hi, this is Hannah from Your Freight Agent, and I'm just going to show you how our latest Shopify plugin works. So when you log into your Shopify plugin, you'll see this screen which takes you to your shipping dashboard. I'll come back to that in a minute. I'm just going to show you a few other things first. The first one I'll show you is store owner details. In here is all of your details that when you sign up as a member, they'll just be sitting in here. Now, it's really important that you don't change any of the details because it is what links your Shopify account to our plugin. If you need to change any of the address details, passwords, emails, just get in touch with our support team and we'll do that for you. The next section I'll show you is multiple locations. In this example, you can't see any locations, but this is really used for when you have more than one pickup point. When you've got certain products that are, for example, housed in Melbourne at a warehouse and some that are housed in Sydney, and you need to have them all on the one simple shopping cart. So if you need to add a new location, just click this button to add it. If you only have the one pickup point, don't worry about it because that's all configured with your store owner details. The next section I'm going to show you is Upload Package CSV. In this section is where you upload the CSV file that we send to you. This has each item SKU code and the packaged length, width, height, and weight. The consolidate feature is for when your packages can be consolidated into one package. For example, if you're sending Christmas baubles, you're not going to send each bauble in an individual box. You're going to consolidate them and package them into the one. Our smart shipping system picks up on this, creates a, dimensional box size of how it would be packaged, which is going to be pretty close to how you actually would package it when you go to send it. This means you're going to quote your customer a fairly accurate shipping price, and they're not going to be quoted on multiple boxes when it's not required. The collection location in here is set to default, which means that that's set to your store owner details. Again, this goes back to the multiple locations, so if you have multiple warehouses, you can pick different location points for each product. The next section I'll show you is shipping rules, which is really exciting because this is where you can control your entire shipping on checkout. The most generic one that people go for is calculated shipping, which basically means when your buyer checks out, we look at everything in the cart, we look at where your customer is, and we fetch rates from every single carrier that we work with. It's a really quick process, only takes a couple of seconds, but it means that your buyer's always going to get the cheapest freight price. On checkout, it won't show 20 different freight options and confuse your buyers. We just show the one cheapest shipping option. This will improve your sales because people want to know what they're paying right when they're buying it. The next section you've got here is free shipping and flat rate shipping. Really good if you want to run promotions, so you can have free shipping across all your items, flat rate shipping across all your items. The other section is free shipping for orders over a certain amount. This is really, really good for promotions. If you want to do a Christmas promotion and say if you spend $100, you'll get free shipping, you can configure it in your back end. The next section is free shipping for particular postcodes. We have a couple of customers that want to offer free shipping to metro areas. We can do this by loading in all of the metro postcode zones. If you've got something that's a little different though, just let us know and we can configure that however you need. The next section is subsidized shipping, which is pretty exciting. It's one of our newer features. If you go down here, you can see the subsidized freight amount is set at $10. Now that's a fixed amount in dollars, which means if your cheapest freight option is $20, it's going to take $10 off of that. So your customer's only going to see $10 on checkout. You can also do it a little bit differently. You've got a percentage amount of shipping. So this is really good for our customers that send bulkier items if they want to offer a percentage off the freight cost. You can also see the subsidized freight type, so you can apply it to all of your products, selected SKUs or selected postcodes. So it gives you such a big variety of control over what's on checkout. It pretty much has something to suit everyone, and it just means you can flick between all of the options quickly and easily. All you need to do, click the one that you want to go with and hit submit. It's as simple as that. The next section I'm going to show you is shipping labels. Now this is the screen that you saw when we first logged into the shipping app. So by clicking on this, it's going to take you to your Freight Agent shipping dashboard. Every order that comes through from your online store is going to be automatically pulled in here, waiting for you to send it out. By clicking on the magnifying glass, you can see all of your order information. You can see the carrier, the price, the customer's address, and all the information that was pulled from your checkout. Now, if you need to change anything here, there's an Edit Recalculate button. What this means is you can change the address, you can add or remove packages, change the package size, pretty much adjust everything you need to, and that will revise the freight quote for you, re-quote the shipment, just to make sure that it is absolutely the correct price and the best freight solution for you. When you're ready to send it, there is a Generate Shipping Label button. Make sure that you've done all of your edit recalculating before you get to this point, because once you've generated a label, we can't go back. By clicking on this button, it'll generate a shipping label for that particular carrier for you. You'll get the label on screen, really easy, click to print, and it'll go straight to your thermal or A4 printer. That'll also invoice you for this freight job. So when you're ready to pay for your freight jobs, there's an invoices tab over here, which means every label that you generate, you'll be invoiced for. Once a week, once a day, you can pop into your invoice section, pay your invoices. You can pay via credit card and EFT, or you'll also be sent a statement once a week, so feel free to pay on that. Once the label's been generated, there'll be a con note number in this section. That'll also have live tracking status bar for you, which means you'll be able to see exactly where all of your freight is and have a look at the ones that need a little more attention quickly and easily. This will free up your time, not having to sit there and track every shipment, and only look at the ones that need a little bit more attention. If you need assistance with any of your shipments, we have a few different ways to contact us. Obviously, you can give our office a call or you can email us, but there's this little function here, which actually sends an inquiry or a request to cancel straight to our team. Have a query, it pre-fills all of your information for you, so you don't need to put the con note or the order number. It's really good for saving time, and it sends a message straight to us. The next section is we have an online chat down here. Now, our team are on this 9 to 5, Monday to Friday in Adelaide time. So any questions that you have, feel free to click on that. It'll come straight through to us and we'll be able to answer your queries straight away. This has pretty much shown you the ins and outs of the shipping system for Shopify, but if you have any questions at all, give our team a call on 08 8244 1397 and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.